Where is the bus? The bus isn't coming at all? Come on, come on. Today is my first shift at my part-time job. I can't be late. If I'm late, it's not my fault. It's the bus's fault. Finally, the bus is here. How long did you make me wait? Hey, you're late. How long did you make me wait?
The bus is right on time, sir.
Shut up. I didn't ask if the bus was on time. I had to wait at the bus stop for over 10 minutes.
We're leaving. Please take a seat.
What kind of seat is this? This seat is so hard. No respect for old people. Are you trying to break my back before my shift? Hey, don't look at me.
Sorry.
You were looking at me.
You were speaking loudly?
I'm not here for you to stare at. If you look again, I'll complain even louder. What? Crying won't solve anything? Do you think crying makes people help you? How naive. I want to cry too. Wah! I don't want to go to work. But I want monies. Somebody give me money.
Please be quiet.
Sorry, I lost control for a moment. But that was a lesson for the baby. Crying won't solve anything. You'll grow up to be a terrible adult. Hey, you.
Yes?
What's this red button?
You press it when you want to get off.
What happens when I press it?
Then the bus stops at the next stop.
Does it really stop? Let me try it.
Only press it when you're getting off.
Shut up. Don't tell me what to do.
Anyone getting off? All right, we're leaving.
Wow, it really stopped. This is getting fun.
Please stop. You're bothering everyone.
So if I press it again, it stops again?
Don't press it.
I'll check one more time.
I'm a careful man.
Sir, please stop.
I really can't be late today.
That's why we keep stopping. You're making us late.
Shut up, stay out of my way.
Please get off at the next stop.
My stop is 2 stops from now.
That doesn't matter. Please get off at the next stop.
Stop harassing me!
That's my line.
I won't press it again, so please don't make me get off.